Our India, what a country! We are the country of several religions, the country of various customs and rituals. We are the country of many languages. It is the country of different festivals, distinguished styles of music and dances. Many different cultures make India a unique country. Our India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. People belonging to each state follow various customs. Their food habits are different. They vary even in their costumes and languages. They celebrate their respective festivals. Despite that, we are one and will remain one. Festivals of India, as you already know, many religions are followed by the people of India. There are several festivals associated with our respective religions. Besides the religious festivals, we also celebrate some harvest and national festivals. Festivals bring a delightful change in the lives of people. Some of the important religious festivals are Dasahara, Durga Puja, Diwali, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ram Navami, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, Eid ul Fitr, Navroz, Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti, etc. Dasahara.
Dasahara is celebrated throughout India.
It is a symbol of the victory of good over evil.
According to the Ramayana, Lord Rama killed Ravan on this day.
Diwali. Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated to mark Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Children burst crackers on this day. At night, enormous kinds of lamps and candles are lit in the houses.
In the evening, at homes and shops, Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi are worshipped for
Prosperity. Eid ul Fitr.
The Muslims celebrate Eid ul Fitr with great pomp and show.
This day celebrates the end of the holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan is the month of fasting. On Eid, Muslims go to mosque to offer namaz.
They wear new dresses, embrace, and wish each other Eid Mubarak.
Sevai is a special sweet dish prepared exclusively for this particular day. Guru Purab. The Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab to mark the birthday of their first Sikh Guru.
Langars are held and sharbat is distributed to the public. The Sikhs go to the Gurdwara to offer prayers. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. Golden Temple at Amritsar in Punjab is the most famous temple of the Sikhs.
Along with religious festivals, we also celebrate harvest festivals. Some important harvest festivals are Baisakhi, an important festival of Punjab, Holi, an important festival of North India, Onam, an important festival of Kerala, Pongal, an important festival of Tamil Nadu, etc. Baisakhi. It is an important harvest festival of Punjab, celebrated every year on the 13th of April.
People in northern India sing and dance with the beatings of drums.
Holi.
Holi is a festival of colors celebrated all over India. People pour colored water and abir gulal at each other. A night before Holi, bonfires are lit to symbolize the destruction of the lady demon Holika.
Onam.
Onam is celebrated to mark the harvest time in Kerala.
People eat special occasion food served on banana leaves. The huge snake boat races are the most exciting event of this festival.
It is celebrated in the month of August or September.
Besides these religious and harvest festivals, we celebrate some national festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. National festivals have special significance because they are celebrated all over India by every Indian.
They bring a feeling of unity in diversity among all the Indians.
Heritage of India. Monuments are our heritage. They are the buildings of great values that our ancestors have built for us. We should not spoil them by scribbling over their walls, pillars, doors, minarets, etc. Country of many languages. There are 22 major languages in India. Besides speech, there are hundreds of dialects. Some of these languages have their own script. To be able to know about a particular language, we need to learn its alphabetic script first.